Never throw away dragon fruit skin before watching this video. Part 1. A tempting opening. Hey dragon friends, have you ever seen this fruit? Red, scaly, like real dragon scales. Pretty, right? And when viewed under a microscope, there's a blackish-brown color on the dragon fruit skin. We'll discuss why that is. While we're discussing dragon fruit skin, we can also observe the dragon fruit skin shown under a microscope. And this one is the scaly skin of the dragon fruit that has been cut and the surface has become dry and flaky. In this video, we'll take a journey. Not just any journey. We'll delve into the mysteries of dragon fruit, from its greenest scales to its deepest historical roots. We'll ask, where did it come from? Why does it have such a thick and unique skin? And most importantly, have we been throwing away a priceless treasure? Part 2. From the other continent. This plant, known as dragon fruit, is originally native to the Americas. More specifically, it originates from what is now Mexico, Guatemala, Nicaragua, and Costa Rica. There, it isn't called dragon fruit. The natives call it pitaya or pitahaya. Part 3. The mystery of the green and pink scales. You see, look at the scaly skin of the dragon fruit in the first few minutes of the video. The tip is green. Fresh. That pale green isn't just any color. It's a sign of life, a sign that the fruit has just been picked. Still fresh, still young. But why green? Why not all red like the skin? The answer lies in the tiny cells of the scales. The green tips still contain chlorophyll. Look at the pink or red color in the first few minutes of the video. Beautiful, isn't it? These natural dyes are called anthocyanins and betalains. These are super powerful antioxidants. The redder the skin, the higher the antioxidant content. So, this pink color really indicates that this fruit is rich in benefits. Part 4. Thick skin, shield of life. Have you ever pressed the skin of a dragon fruit? It's hard, right? Thick. This is no coincidence. Remember, this fruit comes from the cactus family, a family accustomed to living in dry, harsh conditions. This thick skin is a result of evolution. The first function is physical protection. This skin protects the soft, juicy flesh of the fruit from impacts, scratches, and pest attacks. The second function is as a natural thermos. This thick skin prevents water evaporation. With a thick skin, dragon fruit can retain its water for longer, preventing it from wilting quickly. Part 5. The phenomenon of barren land. When we see the first few minutes of the video where the scales are cut, look what happens. The cut site changes. It dries out. It looks like cracked, barren land, like a desert. Why does this happen? It's the dragon fruit's wound response. When a knife cuts, millions of cells open. They lose their protection. Air attacks immediately. The water inside those cells evaporates. Fast, very fast. But it's not just ordinary evaporation. It's a defense system. When injured, the dragon fruit will immediately harden the cells on the surface of the wound. It forms a kind of callus, or covering tissue. Its purpose? To stop further water loss and prevent bacteria or fungi from entering through the wound. Part 6. Lacquer brown spots. Look at this. Among those beautiful scales, there are those blackish-brown ones you saw earlier. They're tiny. When you see this, what comes to mind? Dirt, fungus, or something else? These blackish-brown spots are often the result of pest infestation and could be a fungal infection. Dragon fruit's #1 enemy is mealybugs. These tiny pests like to hide between the scales. They suck the fruit's juices and leave behind a residue. This residue often turns brown or black, especially if it reacts with air or is affected by sooty mold. Part 7. The wasted treasure. Scientific research proves that dragon fruit skin, especially the red kind, contains high levels of antioxidants. And it contains vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. But wait, nutritional content is one thing, edibility is another. The next question is, can dragon fruit skin be eaten? The answer is yes, but there are conditions. Part 8. How to eat dragon skin. Can you eat it straight like this? Raw, bitten into? You can, but it won't taste good. To process dragon fruit skin, wash it thoroughly, cut it into small pieces, and blended until smooth. The skin must first be processed. Housewives and researchers have discovered methods, and the most common method is juicing. When consumed in a processed manner, our bodies will benefit. Our digestion will thank us. The fiber will cleanse the intestines and facilitate bowel movements. Your heart will be healthier. Potassium helps maintain blood pressure. Your cells will be protected. Antioxidants fight free radicals. Your immunity will be boosted. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system. Part 9. Closing and Challenges. If you enjoy videos like this that thoroughly explore a topic, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell so you don't miss the next mystery video. And like this video if you now think twice before throwing away dragon fruit peels. See you in the next video, dragon friends. Stay curious. Keep asking questions. Because behind every question, there's a new world waiting to be explored. Antioxidant greetings. And remember, if you want to progress, we have to seek knowledge because the more we know, the more we don't know.